CES 2026. Today I'm taking a look at iSoftStone Digital. This is Amber. Tell me what you got going on here.
Hello everyone, my name is Amber. This is our booth of the iSoftStone Digital with the TMT. We are here to bring our software and hardware integration strategy and our products and our solutions. Our products is mainly focused on the high performance laptops, both with the gaming laptops and also the slim notebooks.
So thin notebooks, what kind of a performance can we expect to get out of a thin notebook?
For the slim notebook, we have reached the 1 kilogram weight.
Okay.
Yeah, and that kind of the computer named Alpha 14 from the Mechrevo, our sub-brand. And here to show our gaming laptops.
Right now we got a GeForce RTX in here.
With our chips from the CPU and GPUs from the AMD, the Intel, and NVIDIA.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why we call us the high-performance gaming laptops.
So is this mostly built to order, so we would pick what we want in it, or are you going to have kind of prepackaged options?
Like how to buy our computers. One is to online to see, just to direct order it on the TikTok and the Jingdong.com in China or something. Yeah, and we have 2B. We have our own manufacturing plants.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's about intelligence manufacturing plants with the robots.
Okay.
Yeah, and we can do them from the R&D, the manufacturing, and also for the repair, the after sales services, so that we can provide the OBM, ODM, and OEM. The full.
What does that mean?
In short, that means if you have your brand, we can help you to build up your own production line. Also, we can help you to produce the computer for you with a customized style. And also, we can provide our own brand products to you, like we sell our Mechrevo notebooks for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, so you're kind of all over. That's great. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what you got behind the booth. Okay, what are we looking at here?
We are looking at here to show our Alpha 14, the slim notebook, just with 1 kilogram, you see,
Right.
with 2 fingers, and you can see the beautiful outfits with our special blue, yeah, light blue, and we can show you that's with our AMD chips.
Okay.
And that's our deep partners with them. Convenience for the official men or ladies to do their work and to carry them to the business trip or some things.
Yeah, I mean, one of the things I've been seeing, I've been going to a lot of keynotes, and there's a lot of people there with laptops. I can't imagine trying to pull my laptop over there; it's just too darn big. But yeah, that could definitely be a much more usable function for that type of thing.
Another thing is that we not only provide the hardware products, we also bring our AI solutions here. At the same time, our leader, the president of our international business, getting the interview of the TMT, right? Okay.
That's awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, and am I missing anything? Is there anything else you want to talk about?
I would like to give a brief introduction of our software solutions. We can provide IT services. We served for more than 2,600 clients worldwide.
Wow, right.
And more than 230 are from the global top 500 and the China top 500.
That's awesome. All right, cool.
We employ 90,000 persons worldwide.
Wow. Okay.
As an
that's
IT
impressive.
company, that's
Yeah,
really
yeah.
a large scale, right?
That's awesome. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Thank you. Integrated full stack intelligence products and the services, like we can provide our clients with digital arts, the digital marketing, and also for the fintech services, and also we can provide them in the digital manufacturing. That we help them to build up their AI factories.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, and we also have some solutions and the platforms like the digital twin and the simulations.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. All right. So yeah, you're kind of like all over. That's great. Thank you very much. You have an excellent day.
Thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.